welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is India Wise and welcome. Welcome. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing lovely. I hope you're having an amazing day. For today's video, we are going to be doing a mask proof makeup tutorial. I know a lot of people have been struggling with like makeup all over their mask and like just a whole bunch of nonsense with the mask. So I'm here to help you out, to give you a few tips and tricks that I do when I am putting a mask over my makeup. So I hope this video is very helpful for you guys and I hope you learn a lot. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, actually, I'm going to put my hair back first. Well, that doesn't look very cute. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is moisturize. Of course, moisturizing is very important before you're applying any type of makeup, whether you have dry, combination, or oily skin. I'm just going to go in with the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion and apply it to the face. So I actually already have lashes on. I have lash extensions on. Shout out to my girl Zoanna, Queen Lashes. She's amazing. So yeah, if you live in the Maryland area, check her out. So yeah, I have lashes already applied, so it's gonna be kind of like a quicker tutorial since I don't have to do that as well. Okay, so we have moisturized. Now what we want to do is we want to prime. Priming is very important. It's a very, very important step to making sure your makeup lasts. You need it. It's not going to last if you don't use it. Companies come out with products that are transfer proof, but they are not transfer resistant. So there's a difference. Transfer proof means it's not gonna transfer as much as a product that wouldn't have that in it, or a product that didn't have that claim. Now, transfer resistant means nothing like will transfer, which is like kind of impossible in a way. So like, even though I'm giving you guys these tips, your foundation or anything can still get on your mask. It's just gonna be less product on your mask. You get what I mean? Okay, so we are gonna prime with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I apply this all over, but I specifically apply it in the areas where the mask is gonna go. So right along here, and then up, and then all over. Under the eyes as well, because the mask kind of like sits here. So I'm gonna make sure you get that, and then everywhere else. So as you can see, it's very tacky. So the next thing I do is I take my powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 10. And then I take a huge fluffy brush and I go on whatever's left in the cap, I go on it, dust it off, and go over. If you have oily skin, it'll be nice to probably go in with a beauty blender and pat. But since I have dry skin, I just use a brush so that it can like apply some, but not like a whole lot. The next step is going to be applying a foundation. So I'm gonna go in with this NARS one. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So you wanna have a foundation that is like long wearing so that it has some type of longevity to it. Let me shake it up. And I don't think this is in my shade anymore, so bear with me. And when you're going for mask proof makeup, you wanna go for full beat. Like, I know that some people want to just wear like the most minimal makeup under and just do like less steps, but what's gonna really make your makeup last is the fact that you have like the full beat on and it's like locked in. You want makeup that's like locked in, not, you know, dewy, beautiful skin makeup. No, it's not gonna work with a mask. And it's a very full coverage foundation. And I love it so much. I'm going to take a little bit more on the brush. Don't forget every part of your face. And let me know if like you guys would like to see a video on like lash extension makeup, because some people are like, how do I apply makeup when I have lash extension? I got you. I look crazy right now, but it's all gonna come together. Okay, we're gonna apply some concealer so that it can even out the color of the foundation. But this is like the full coverage beat that I'm talking about. So I look like a Oompa Loompa. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some of the All Nighter spray from Urban Decay. This is like a long lasting setting spray. And let it just sink into the skin. And this is gonna be a very essential product as well. You need some type of setting spray that is gonna have some type of longevity to it as well. So most of the products we're using today are long wearing products. Alright, so concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced. And you wanna apply a good amount because, like I said, the mask will try to take off your makeup. Especially right along here as well, where the mask kind of like sits. I'm gonna apply some as well too, here and here to even it out. Alright, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend this out. And what I do is when I want to go around the lash extensions, I take a smaller brush and go around, just so that I don't get the lashes dirty or get foundation on them. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply powder to the face. So I'm going to, and we're going to go in with a lot of powder. So, and I have dry skin, so like I'm not always for a lot of powder, but for this type of makeup, you want to apply a lot of powder. So I'm gonna go in and start setting, and you literally want to start on the under eye and then take it all the way down. And you want to get the areas especially where the mask is gonna sit. Especially around the nose. And then also I go ahead and take that brush again, dip it in the powder, and then go around my face. Powder is so messy. I'm gonna set everything. You literally want to look like a matte, just matte all over. I take my beauty blender again and go in with the powder, just to make sure we get everything set down. Alright, so I am very matte. I can literally like feel it. But this is like good so far. So what you want to do next is go ahead and apply a little bit more of the long wearing setting spray, just to bring your face back to life some. And what you can do next is take your beauty blender and go and make sure everything is settling in. So next I'm going to go in with bronzer. This is the Fenty bronzer in Caramel Cutie. I'm going to apply some to my eyes as well, because I'm not going to do any eyeshadow just because I have the lash extensions. Alright. And then I'm going to do my brows off camera and I will be right back. Right, so I applied my brows. Alright, I'm gonna go in with this Juvia's Place blush. I want to apply some blush. I love this blush. And some people would get intimidated by this, but like, it's a really good blush. You don't need a lot, that's for sure. So one thing I do want to say is that if you do need to apply a little bit more powder, just because like, you know, you might have like more oilier skin, or you just need more powder so that you can make sure your mask doesn't have a lot of makeup on it, do that. Don't be scared to apply a lot of powder because this type of look requires a lot, like a lot. So yeah. All right, so the next thing I do is I apply mascara. This is the This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. And I know for a fact because of course I do that. Okay, so as you guys can see, I kind of messed up the mascara on the bottom lashes, which it happens. So what you want to do is you want to let it dry. Just let that side dry, and then I'm going to go in on the other side and do that one. So while that ugly mistake over there is drying, you want to just look at your face just to make sure everything is like locked in place. If it's not, you can go ahead and go back in with some powder or some more setting spray just to be sure. I definitely go around, especially the areas that I know the mask is going to touch. When you have a mistake like that right here, what you do is you take a spoolie and you scrape it off. Voila. For lips, I am a glossy type of girl, but for this look you cannot do gloss because gloss is going to come right off. I don't even think there's a gloss out there that you can like even try to get away with not getting it on your mask. This is what I do. I apply lip liner like normal. This is the ColourHop BFF 2 Lippy Pencil. And then I go in with a liquid lipstick. So you want to go in with something that is going to dry down completely. For that, I'm going to go in with the Fenty, these are the lip paints. This is in shade Unbutton. So I only take a little bit of this and I dot it. Sometimes if I apply too much, I go ahead and take my makeup wipe. Go like that. Then I take my finger and blend it all in. This is like the mask that I have worn before with like makeup, and I saved it just for this video. But you can actually take your mask and like dab it around, and I'm actually going to do that for you guys now. I'm going to take a new mask and show you guys that it's not transfer resistant, but it's at least a little bit more transfer proof. So we're going to go and okay, so yeah, so for the most part, I mean, like, there's no makeup. And I'm like really pressing. Okay, now I just got some of the lip on it. But for the most part, there's nothing on the mask. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. This is my mask proof makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys learned something. I really hope you took something away from this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I have kind of been doing this for like a month or two now. I can't really put my finger on it, but I was like, I need to figure out something that is going to make my makeup last, and all these steps will really help you out. Like I said, it's not going to make it transfer resistant, but it is going to make it a lot more transfer proof, and it'll give you longevity to the fullest. This should last you hours. So yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching. I really had fun in today's video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys.